Learn mathematics in easy ways. Watch and learn to my YouTube channel, Maestro Bench. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for notification. Before we proceed to our topic, I would like to share to you this quotation. Education is simply the soul of a society as it passes from one generation to another, by G.K. Chesterton. Today we're going to have the operations and functions. Definitely, the subtraction of functions. Our learning competencies: perform subtraction of functions. What is subtraction of functions? If f and g are functions, their difference is defined as the quantity of f minus g of x that is also equal to f of x minus the g of x. Let's take example number 1. Subtract the following functions. We have the f of x is equal to x plus 1, and then the g of x is equal to 2x squared. Still, we have to find for the quantity of f minus g of x that is equal to f of x minus g of x. Copy first the f of x, which is x plus 1, subtracted by the g of x, which is 2x squared. This will be the operation for our topic, which is subtraction. We have to write negative 2x squared as the highest exponent in these three terms, and then the plus x plus 1. We have the answer for example number 1, since we do not have like terms, negative 2x squared plus x plus 1. Example number 2, subtract the following functions. F of x is equal to 8x minus 2, the g of x is equal to 6x. Still, we have to find the quantity of f minus g of x that is equal to f of x minus g of x. We have to copy the f of x, which is 8x minus 2, and then subtracted to the g of x, which is minus 6x. And then we have to combine like terms, 8x minus 6x. They are like terms because they do have same variable, which is x, and then the exponent of 1. Understood that there is an exponent of 1 here. And then minus 2. And then we have to add this. So 8 minus 6, we have 2. So we have 2x minus 2. This will be the answer for example number 2. 2x minus 2. Let's proceed to example number 3. Subtract the following functions. F of x is equal to negative 9x squared plus 7x, and the g of x is equal to 3x squared plus 19. Still, we are looking or finding for the quantity of f minus g of x that is equal to f of x minus g of x. And then we have to write the f of x using this formula. Negative 9x squared plus 7x minus the g of x, which is 3x squared plus 19. We have to enclose these terms, this g of x, in a parenthesis so that we can be having the operation of subtraction. We could emphasize with it. And then, negative 9x squared plus 7x. And then this will be multiplied. Distributive property of multiplication, negative times 3x squared, negative times positive, that is negative 3x squared, and then you have to multiply this part, negative times positive 19, and that is negative 19. After that, we have to combine like terms. We have negative 9x squared minus 3x squared. Again, they are like terms because they do have same variable and same exponent, which is squared or exponent of 2, plus 7x minus 19. And then we have to add this. If you are adding two consecutive negative integers or numbers, you simply add the 9 plus 3, and that is 12. The sign will always be negative. We have negative 12x squared. Bring down 7x or plus 7x and minus 19. So this will be our answer for example number 3. Negative 12x squared plus 7x minus 19. Example number 4. Subtract the following functions. F of x is equal to 11x plus 5x squared minus 3x cubed plus 13. G of x is equal to 4x plus 9x squared plus 10. Definitely, they are both not in descending order. They are not arranged in descending order. And then we have to find for the quantity of f minus g of x that is also equal to f of x minus g of x. We have to copy the f of x, which is 11x plus 5x squared minus 3x cubed plus 13, subtracted by the g of x, which is 4x plus 9x squared plus 10. So again, we have to enclose the g of x into a parenthesis so that we can be able to emphasize the operation of subtraction. And then we have to combine like terms. Oh, we have to perform the distributive property of multiplication first in this g of x. Negative times 4x, that is negative 4x. Negative times positive, that is definitely negative, and then 9x squared. Negative or minus times the positive 10, that is negative 10. And then we have to arrange it in descending order. Since this negative 3x cubed doesn't have the same terms with this group of terms, so we will be having it negative 3x cubed, followed by plus 5x squared minus 9x squared. They are like terms because they do have same variable x and same exponent of 2. And then bring down positive or plus 11x minus 4x. Still, they are in like terms. They are both like terms. And then plus 13 minus 10. Bring down negative 3x cubed. And then we have to add this. We'll be having negative 4x squared. And then we have 7x. And then plus 3. So this will be our answer for example number 4. Negative 3x cubed minus 4x squared plus 7x plus 3. How about example number 5? Subtract the following functions. F of x is equal to 2x minus 3x to the fourth plus 12x squared. G of x is equal to negative 5x to the fourth minus 9x squared minus 17x cubed. Still, we have to find for the quantity of f minus g of x that is equal to f of x minus g of x. So we have to copy the f of x, which is 2x minus 3x to the fourth plus 12x squared. And then the g of x, we have to enclose it. We have to put in a parenthesis so that we can be able to have or to emphasize the operation of subtraction. G of x is equal to negative 5x to the fourth minus 9x squared minus 17x cubed. And then we have to multiply this. But before that, copy the f of x. 2x minus 3x to the fourth plus 12x squared. You have to multiply this. Negative times negative 5x to the fourth. We have plus 5x to the fourth. And then this minus sign will be multiplied by negative 9x squared. Negative times negative, that is positive, we have 9x squared. And then negative times negative, still we have the positive 17x cubed. And then we have to arrange them in descending order. We have negative 3x to the fourth plus 5x to the fourth. They are like terms because they have same variable, which is x, and both are raised in exponent of 4. Next, we have plus 17x cubed plus 12x squared minus 9x squared. They are like terms. And then the plus 2x. Next, we have to add this part. Negative 3x to the fourth plus 5x to the fourth. We have 2x to the fourth. And then bring down plus 17x cubed And then you have to add this part. They are both positive. 12 plus 9, that is 21. X squared. And then bring down 2x. So we have the answer for example number 5. 2x to the fourth plus 17x cubed plus 21x squared plus 2x. Let's proceed to example number 6. Subtract the following functions. F of x is equal to 11x to the fourth minus 3x cubed plus 10x squared minus 16. And then we have the g of x, which is 20x to the fourth minus 13x squared minus 25. Still, we have to find for the quantity of f minus g of x, that is equal to f of x minus g of x. First, we have to write the f of x, which is 11x to the fourth minus 3x cubed plus 10x squared minus 16. So we are in descending order from the highest exponent up to the lowest exponent, 4, 3, 2. And then we have to copy the g of x, which is, we will put it inside of parentheses so that we can having the subtraction, which is our main operation. And then we have to copy 11x to the fourth minus 3x cubed plus 10x squared minus 16. And then you have to multiply this. Negative times positive 20x to the fourth, we have negative 20x to the fourth. And then negative times negative, we have positive 13x squared. Negative times negative, we have positive 25. That is the distributive property of multiplication. You have to multiply the terms inside a parenthesis of this negative sign or subtraction sign. And then, we have to add like terms. We have to combine like terms. 11x to the fourth minus 20x to the fourth. Again, they are like terms because they have the same variable and same exponent. And then bring down negative 3x cubed, followed by plus 10x squared plus 13x squared. Again, they are like terms. Same variable and same exponent. Followed by negative 16 plus 25, the constant. And then we have to add this, 11x to the fourth minus 20x to the fourth. We'll be having the negative 9x to the fourth. And then we have to write negative 3x cubed. And then we have to combine this, 10x squared plus 13x squared because they are like terms. We have plus 23x squared. And then we have to add this. Finally, we have positive 9. So our answer for example number 6 is negative 9x to the fourth minus 3x cubed plus 23x squared plus 9. I hope that you've learned something. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.